when we wanna come closer. Don't tell a million.
Hey Lock Stars, welcome back to Lock Jewelry Spotlight, and today I just wanted to go over wholesale. I just wanted to call out all the locticians and beauty supply owners, whoever does hair, natural hair salons, and let you know that I'm available for wholesale, and you can get one of these displays in your salon and start to adorn the locks of your clients. Oh my gosh, they're gonna just love the variety that they receive when they get a chance to like touch, taste, feel like this in their salon. It's different than seeing it on my website because they can actually see it. So I just want to encourage you guys today, make your passive income. I'm telling you, this is easy money for y'all. I have this really pretty poster. There's more than one poster that you get. You get customer care cards. You receive little bags so that you can send them off with the jewelry if they decide not to if they decide not to have it donned, in their hair that day. And the link will be below. So you guys want to definitely apply, and then you'll receive a client welcome packet, which explains all the different types of jewelry, the different types of packages, all of that. But just know that you can get a straight up set of 24 traditional package, sister lock package, large lock package, mixed lock, like if you have clients that have different types of sizes and want more variations and stuff, you can get the mixed lock. So far that's been the most popular, is the one with the mixed lock. That way they can service more clientele. Traditional is also very popular, but just so you know, you get these in these pretty little cards. All right, and then here's a sister lock. So see how tiny they are? And then here's an example of a micro lock. So the micro lock is going to be like 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter. So even with the sister lock package, you can still get different sizes. You'll get a certain amount of spirals. You'll get a certain amount of teardrop pieces. You'll get like current collection type contemporary pieces, and you'll also get pearl. As far as men's jewelry, I do have men's jewelry, I do have children's jewelry, but it's just not like readily available at this time. But if you're interested in that, just let me know and we can mix that into your package. All right, have a great day, guys. Apply now, start to make that passive income. You know you need it. If somebody misses an appointment, it's no big deal because they can just get their lock jewelry. You'll just make that money on the side. So let me tell you, they will just love it. And I want you guys to take pictures of your clients wearing these beautiful pieces of jewelry. All right, have a great one. Bye.